Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the error fetching channel list for account YouTube issue. This is a common problem, everyone can face this problem. First of all, you open any browser where you are using YouTube. Then, here we will check the speed of over internet connection because most probably, some users facing internet issue. Go to the search bar and type speed test. Click on the first link. And here click on Go. You can see this is the speed of my internet access. Then, open a new tab. Click on three dots. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Once it's open, here we will select the size option, browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cache and files. After that, click on the arrow and click on All Times. Then click on Advance and select all the visible options, then click on Clear Data. After that, all the problems of that browser will be solved. For your browsing history, it will be deleted. Then open a new tab and open YouTube. And I hope so YouTube will work properly. That's all the way to fix the error fetching channel list for account. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.